everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, I've decided to put on this nice hoodie that I have with these central pockets. It makes me feel nice and comfortable. But that's not what we're going to be discussing about today. Today, we are going to be looking at a Polybag set. Polybag set number 30425 from LEGO Ninjago, and it was released in 2017. And as we know, Polybag sets are a very good thing to build. So we're going to have a nice little build today. So I'm going to be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause it any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. This little set comes with one of the teeniest instructions that I've ever seen. Okay, so I'll just unfold this. So first of all, this set comes with 2 minifigures and we need to build them right now. So first of all, we've got some girl over here. Just stick her pieces together. I believe she's called Nia, Ninja of Water. These azure blue sleeves and accents as well, some dark red. Looks like we've got a scabbard back at the back as well, printed on there. Nice, awesome. Nice black hair. Okay, we have a second minifigure over here. Okay, let me just put the pieces together. And I believe this is called Zane, Ninja of Ice. And look at his face print over here. Sort of like a panel for the face stuck onto his head over there. Looking around the back, we can see, I don't know, what's this? What's this round thing at the back of his head sort of thing? Oh, and he has his silver hairpiece. That's nice. I recognize this sort of style. It seems to be sort of the same sort of design as my other Zane. Okay. You see the little pouch over here? This is the 2012 Zane, I believe, and this is the 2017 Zane. See the little pouch over there, the brown pouch with the straps? Seems rather familiar. Well, we also get some accessories to put on those minifigures. So Zane here. Oh, I just noticed that he's got some silver sleeves as well. I believe that's actually his arm sticking out of his top. He gets a brown 6 long bar. I suppose that should be some sort of wooden staff. And Nia over here gets this silver sword. Always nice to get a silver sword. So now let's put these minifigures aside and get on to the build. So first of all, we'll need this 2x6 standard base plate. And we will need this 1x6 base plate as well. In a cream here, just to stick that on. Underneath that base plate, we need to stick some more of these 2x6 base plates as well, forming a 6x6 base. Okay, so now we need this 1x4 base plate in brown here at the front, and behind here we will be attaching this this 2x2 tile with a Technic pin sticking out of it, one over here, and we're going to fill the rest of the 4x4 space in there with these 2x2 tan tiles. Tiling is a very nice sort of style with these 4 panels like this. Okay, next up we need to attach more of these cream base plates, 1x4s over here on the sides, and one last 1x6 at the back over here. Now, over here on this base, we're going to attach these special pieces over here. These are red skeleton feet, skeleton legs sort of things with clips on them on the top, so we can clip some stuff onto it later on. We need 4 of them, and we're going to use them to make some struts for a fence. A rather interesting sort of design there, and obviously nice to get these pieces here. So now we need a 4 long bar done in black to clip onto all of those there, and we're going to get these red loudspeaker, loud hailer pieces, and we're going to stick one over there like that. We're going to stick the horn onto the studs over here to make the ends of the fences, and we're going to be using these small round red tiles on that just to style things off. Now we need to put this aside because we're going to make the training dummy that's going to sit on our little build there. So first of all, we'll need this brown Technic connector, and we'll need this small little grey connector piece with a stud attachment on top, just into that like this. Now we'll need a side attachment brick done in white with 2 studs on the side like that, and on those studs we're going to attach these small round pieces, but with a hole down the middle, and we get 2 of them, 1 on either side like this. I'm gonna stick some arms on our training dummy. So we will need these bar clips, these bars with clips on the ends, and we need to really push them in, just push them in like that. Okay, so now we can add a little bit of decoration to our dummy. We're gonna give it a beard.
What?
We get this white beard piece over here, this white goatee beard piece here. Just stick it on here, just place it on there. And we also get this golden head piece.
What?
Nice little addition, a golden head piece to be our dummy's head. We just stick that onto the stud there. Hopefully it'll hold the beard into place. Now, what else do we need? We need these 3-pronged daggers. I believe you can call them that. They're done in gold. And we need 1 over here into the hands of our dummy, and 1 over here. And just to top it off, we'll get this little bamboo hat done in gold as well. So just stick it onto the head, and it looks remarkably like somebody else from the Ninjago universe. So now all we need to do is we need to take back our little training area over here, stick our dummy into the pin like this, bring back our 2 special minifigures, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our little polybag set is complete. A nice little build, but we'll have a closer look at that later on. First of all, let's have a good look at the minifigures, because this is a set review at the same time. So over here on the front of the torso, you can have a closer look at the sort of dark red sort of what do they call these things that these ninjas wear? Gi or something like that. Some black hair as well, just a simple feminine face there. You can have a look at the back as well, some more red and blue. And now let's have a closer look at our silver robot. Just take the staff out of his hand. So interesting silvery detail all over here, even a sort of silvery shirt underneath that white gi over there with a golden insignia, sort of the frozen lion insignia. And we also have some silver bands going across the legs as well, silver belt. And we also have this nice hairpiece on the top as well going around the back, kind of the same like what Nia has, and of course this, whatever this is. And now let's quickly go over this little training kit that we've made. Sorry, Nia. So we have this little very free spinning dummy over here with these little prongs as well to be very wary of as well. And this little hat, it kind of looks kind of goofy, doesn't it? And over here, well, this little base is a nice little design. I don't want to have to spend too much talking about it, but I gotta say that this fence is a nice touch as well. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!